Listen up, you donkey. Who says delicious has to break the bank? You can make a bloody brilliant Lechon on a budget. Trust me, it's all about smart choices, you hear? No need for fancy ingredients or complicated techniques. We'll focus on simple methods and affordable ingredients. You'll be amazed at the incredible flavors we can achieve without emptying your wallet. Lechon, a classic Filipino dish, is known for its crispy skin and juicy meat. But traditional recipes can be pricey. We're going to shake things up and make it accessible to everyone. Forget about expensive cuts of meat and elaborate marinades. We'll use readily available ingredients and simple techniques to create a dish that's both affordable and delicious. Let's get this straight. Making a budget-friendly Lechon doesn't mean compromising on taste. It's about being resourceful and clever. We'll use every bit of the pork belly to minimize waste. And we'll create a marinade that packs a punch without costing a fortune. Get ready to impress your friends and family with a Lechon that's both delicious and budget-friendly. You'll be the star of the show without spending a fortune. Let's get started. The pork belly is the heart of your Lechon. Choose wisely. Opt for a skin-on piece with a good layer of fat. That's your ticket to crispy skin and juicy meat. Don't be afraid of a bit of fat. It's essential for flavor and tenderness. Look for a pork belly that's about 2 to 3 pounds. That's perfect for a small gathering. Ask your butcher to score the skin for you. This will help the heat penetrate and render the fat. Remember, a well-chosen pork belly is the foundation of a great Lechon. When selecting your pork belly, pay attention to the color. It should be a pale pink, not too dark. Freshness is key. Smell it. It should have a mild, slightly sweet aroma. Don't be afraid to ask your butcher for recommendations. They're the experts. Now let's prep this bad boy. Rinse the pork belly under cold water. Pat it dry with paper towels. This will ensure the marinade adheres properly. Don't rush, you want to remove all excess moisture. Next, score the meat side of the belly. Make shallow cuts about 1 inch apart. This will allow the marinade to penetrate deeper, resulting in a more flavorful and tender Lechon. Be careful not to cut through the skin. You want that intact for crackling. Once scored, rub the pork belly with salt and pepper. Be generous, but don't overdo it. This will season the meat and enhance its natural flavors. You're laying the groundwork for a delicious Lechon. The marinade is your secret weapon. It's where the magic happens. We're going for bold flavors without breaking the bank. Use simple ingredients like garlic, onion, soy sauce, and vinegar. Crush the garlic and roughly chop the onion. No need for fancy knife skills here. Combine these with soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of black pepper. Mix it well. This is your flavor bomb. Pour the marinade over the pork belly. Make sure it's fully submerged. This is crucial for infusing every bit of the meat with flavor. Cover the bowl with cling film and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. Patience is key. Section 5. Crispy Skin Secrets. The key to Lechon. The crispy skin, well, that's the hallmark of a good Lechon. It's all about technique. Before roasting, pat the skin dry with paper towels. You'll want to remove any excess moisture. This will help it crisp up beautifully. Here's the trick. Rub salt generously over the skin. Don't be shy, this is your secret weapon for crackling. The salt draws out moisture during cooking, resulting in a crispy golden brown skin. Arrange the pork belly on a wire rack, skin side up. This allows air to circulate, ensuring even cooking and crisping. Place a baking sheet underneath to catch any drippings. Now we're ready to cook. Section 6. Getting cooking oven or turbo broiler. You've got 2 options, oven or turbo broiler. Both work great. For the oven, preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Roast the pork belly for 1 hour, skin side up. Then reduce heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and cook for another 1 to 2 hours. If using a turbo broiler, preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Cook the pork belly for about 1 hour, rotating every 15 minutes to ensure even cooking. Keep an eye on the skin, you want it golden brown and crispy. Whichever method you choose, the key is to cook the pork belly until the meat is tender and the skin is crispy. A meat thermometer should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, for safe consumption. Let the Lechon rest for 15 minutes before carving. Section 7. Budget-friendly sides, elevating the experience. Lechon is delicious on its own, but sides elevate the experience. Keep it simple and budget-friendly. Steamed rice is a must-have. It soaks up the flavorful juices and complements the rich pork belly. A simple salad adds freshness and cuts through the richness. Use affordable greens like lettuce or cabbage. Toss with a vinaigrette for a tangy kick. Don't overthink it. Simplicity is key. For a Filipino twist, try achara. This pickled papaya relish is tangy, sweet, and adds a burst of flavor. It's easy to make at home with green papaya, carrots, and vinegar. It's the perfect accompaniment to your lechon. Section 8. Serving with style presentation. Matters. Don't just plonk the lechon on the table, you donkey. Presentation matters. Carve the lechon into bite-sized pieces. Arrange them on a platter, showcasing that glorious crispy skin. Garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. This adds a touch of freshness and visual appeal. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. A little effort goes a long way. Serve the lechon with its accompanying sides. Arrange them in attractive bowls or platters. Create a visually appealing spread that will make your guests drool. Remember, you've worked hard, so show off your culinary masterpiece. Section 9. Conclusion, lechon for everyone. There you have it, you numpties, a stunning lechon that won't break the bank. You've learned to choose the right pork belly, create a killer marinade, and achieve that crispy skin. You're a lechon master. Remember, delicious food doesn't have to be expensive. It's all about being resourceful and making smart choices. With these tips, you can enjoy a fantastic lechon without emptying your wallet. So go on, impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. They'll be begging for more. And remember, always cook with passion and confidence. That's the secret to any great dish.